Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Titration curves are actually simple once you see the pattern. We need to find the missing variable to calculate the acid concentration right now. To find the molar concentration of our acid, we must use the titration formula. This requires knowing the moles of base added at the equivalence point to find the acid moles. The provided curve shows us the volume of base used and the pH changes. However, concentration is moles divided by volume, so we still need the starting amount of the acid. Without the initial acid volume, we cannot solve for molarity. Therefore, the acid volume is the essential missing piece of information. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and trust given data to find the volume for concentration.